Listen to me fart through the pipe.
Go on.
Ready?
Yeah. This is the modern day version of the sippy cup and string. Instead, we are using a, what do you call this again?
A Hoover pipe.
A Hoover pipe as a telephone system. Right, wait, I'm in my house. Wait there. You have to ring us. Now I shall get a phone call from our Jessica. Pipe. Quiet.
Bring, bring.
Hello?
Hello?
How you doing?
I'm alright, so are you?
What you been up to?
No, just laid on the floor.
Oh, well, I've got to do something. I've got something to do. I'll see you later, yeah?
Right.
Bye.
God. Oh, there's fire!
Why didn't we think of this when we were younger? It's well better than the sippy cups and strings. It's a freaking Hoover pipe. I'm bored now.